I have here the Rapid 10 from M-Elec, very similar to the MR Multi. We still have our colour selector switch on the back. We have natural white colour, warm white. The biggest change in this product here is we have the Rapid base, which gets away with the blind snake. Simple installation. We still have our 1.5mm cable, or we can pull the insert out for a 2.5 cable. Placing our cable in and we're just snapping it shut, fit off complete. It's a big time saver for us in the industry. Generally when I do housing fit offs, I like to fit my plug bases first. So in the installation here, we only have to drill out the hole, grab the cable, snap it shut, and we're away. So it's a big time saver there. Yeah, it looks to me like a very good product. ICF rated. We've got interchangeable rings, so we can choose a colour of choice if we need to put it in a darker room. Another benefit of the Rapid, it's simple to disconnect. Just put a screwdriver in the slot, leave it down. We can pull our cable straight out. Put together. Same as the blind snake. Line it up and just clicking it shut. The biggest benefit though is we're not polarity conscious here, so it doesn't matter which way your cable goes in, we don't have to nick the cable, so it's a toolless operation, which is a big time saver as well for us in the industry. The biggest benefit for this product is going to be in a new domestic or commercial installation. Just for a time frame point of view, it's just going to be a simpler installation that gives a complete Rapid solution. We have our product information with the 3-year warranty. And the installation guide.
Sorry.
Yeah, thanks.